Our products include modular kitchens, wardrobes, entertainment units, crockery units, anything which can be made in a modular fashion in the house. Fixed furniture is something which we offer. We started 11 months ago. We started in Bangalore. This is our first branch outside of Bangalore. We believe that Hyderabad is poised for a complete turnaround in real estate after we know that the market has been suppressed for the last couple of years, but we think that this is poised for a real turnaround now, and we are betting big on Hyderabad. So we think that Hyderabad is going to be a very big market for us in the next 2 to 3 years. One of the unique things that we promised is we wanted to solve this problem. So what we tell the customer is, once you place your order with us, we give you a 45-day promise, which means the day you place your order till the day we hand over the solution, it will not be more than 45 days, and that's a 45-day promise which we make. I'll talk a little bit more about that. This is the customer flow. So the customer first discovers designs online. So he comes either on the phone or on a tablet or on a computer. They discover the design. You can explore designs. You can actually change some of the design yourself, and I'll try and demonstrate that to you. All of this you can do online. You can share it with family and friends. Say, you know, I like this color of kitchen, I like this wardrobe, do you like, etc. All that you can do. You can experience the same thing in 3D. So we have 3D experience where even before placing the order, where the customer can actually see this in 3D. You will get a quote within 24 hours of requesting for a quote, and you will get a quote as in it will be an approximate quote based on what you have chosen at that point in time. You get a quote, but it will be accurate in terms of the specification that you have chosen at that point in time. Typically what happens in this industry, because it's not a product, like I told you, it's customized, there are 2 or 3 iterations which happen. So 2-3 times the customer will change a little bit and change, you know, I like this finish better, I like this handle better, etc. Because of which there will be some cost variation. So the first quote is given within 24 hours, and then you can place your order online. So we collect 10% as an advance, and you can place your order online. And then we collaborate with the customer. Like this is the iteration that I told you. So we do a collaboration with the customer to customize the solution to his or her liking, and that takes 2-3 rounds of discussions or 2-3 meetings, either face-to-face meetings or online meetings. Once that is done, then we give them a promise of 45 days and the promise of what you see is what you get, which is exactly what you ordered is what you get, and that you will get installed in 45 days, otherwise we pay rent. So this is typically the flow. And we have a background of technology which is supporting this whole process, including the CRM, including this is design to manufacturing software. So from the design to the manufacturing, we have one software which connects the whole system, and a quality check before the handover. So once he finalizes here, so it is basically 3 payment tranches: 10% advance, 40% when you finalize the design, and 50% before we install the solution. So we collect 100% before we install the solution. This is the normal industry norm. We are not doing anything different. This is what has been prevailing in the industry from a long time. I am pretty confident that we will achieve operational break-even in Hyderabad within 90 days. Company perspective, very difficult to say, because we have very large expansion plans. We want to get to, like I told you, 10 cities in India. We are also eyeing some international markets.